The coffee production process, from plant to factory, involves several key stages that ensure the beans reach consumers in optimal condition. Coffee is primarily grown in tropical regions within the coffee belt, which includes countries in South America, Africa, and Asia. Coffee trees take about 3 to 4 years to mature and produce cherries. The two main species are Arabica, that is higher quality, grown at higher altitudes, and Robusta, that is stronger, more bitter, resistant to pests. Harvesting depends on the region, but generally happens once or twice a year when cherries are fully ripe. Hand-picking method is selective and used for high-quality Arabica beans, whereas mechanical harvesting is more efficient but less selective. After harvesting, cherries must be processed quickly to prevent spoilage. Dry processing is a natural method in which cherries are dried in the sun, then hulled to remove the outer layers. Honey processing is a hybrid method where some mucilage remains, influencing flavor. Wet processing is washed method, where cherries are pulped to remove the fruit, fermented to break down mucilage, then washed and dried. Sun drying on patios, raised beds, or mechanical dryers are used. Beans are sorted by size, weight, and defects using machines and manual inspection. Beans, now called green coffee, are packed in bags and shipped globally. Once in factories, roasting for 10 to 20 minutes transforms green coffee into aromatic brown beans and then cooled before packaging. Finally, coffee is ground to different sizes in factories and vacuum sealed to preserve freshness.